I'm going to show you sautéed prawns in this fabulous non-stick pan. First of all, the most important thing is make sure that you've got your pan warming through for at least 5 minutes before you start to cook. Sautéing, it's all about speed. First of all, we want to get the oil into our pan. You know you've got the warmth in the pan when you start to see a fabulous haze of smoke just coming off the oil. And what I love about this pan is that you've got the metal rings that retain the heat in the pan, and then you've got that fantastic non-stick element about it that's absolutely brilliant. In with the prawns. The most important thing about when you're sautéing is that you get that fantastic noise coming off the pan. Sealing meat, sealing any fish, shellfish, is about sealing the outside of the ingredient as fast as possible. You don't want any moisture to come out of these prawns, you want them to retain their moisture. As soon as they're in the pan, I've just literally just put them in and I'm starting to turn them straight away. Time now is of the essence. What you're doing now is you're just sealing those beautiful prawns, making sure that the moisture stays inside the prawn and not released into your pan. And that's where these fantastic rings come into play. They hold the heat within the pan. A pinch of salt, twist of pepper, squeeze of lemon. Now we can start to add garlic, chilli, beautifully chopped parsley. To glaze our pan with some fabulous white wine. The white wine deglazes the pan and brings all those beautiful flavours together. And just to finish the dish, just a few knobs of butter, which will emulsify that fabulous flavour and wrap around the prawns, like so. And there you have it, sautéed prawns in this fabulous pan. Retaining the heat is the most important thing, but the best bit, nothing sticks to these pans. They're brilliant.